Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and I'd like to wish you all a happy and prosperous 2024. On this channel, I try to find creative ways in which we can prepare and enjoy the meals that we're so accustomed to. I try to do that so that it suits different palates, but it is still yummy and still tasty, and a quick and easy way to do it also. I'd like to thank my subscribers and my viewers for supporting my channel. It is really appreciated. After a big holiday, and I've eaten so much meat, I usually feel like I need to clean my palate. I need to just get that flush. And usually I'll go for juice, vegetable fruit juice, or smoothies, stir fries, and sometimes veggie burgers. Now today I'm going to show you how I make my veggie burgers. To make our burger, we're going to use some mushroom and also aubergine. You can use either or. And along with that, we're going to use some chickpeas. Now it's time to wash, clean, and dice our vegetables. I'm removing the skin because it can be very tough at times. Now we're going to slice to dice. So we slice first and dice after. Now here we have the chickpeas, and we are going to save the water, because if we don't eat egg, we need this water to help us bind the burger together. So we're going to save it, along with a little cornstarch, and this will be your egg. Now we're going to try to sweat the aubergine and mushroom to get the water out. We don't want water in it, so we're going to put it in a pot, dry pot, no oil. That's the aubergine, and now this is the mushroom, and also the onion, so that we can get rid of all that water. Dry pot, all the excess moisture. And one more thing, to get it out quickly, we add a little salt, because salt will bring the water out quickly. So I'm going to sprinkle a little salt, and you know what my salt is already. All-purpose seasoning, that is 60% salt, so I just use it in place of salt. Now the salt will draw the water out of the vegetable. A dry pot, no oil, no water, just leave it to sweat. This should take about 10 minutes, the most. 9 minutes in, I'm going to add the bell peppers, half of it, because I'm going to need the other half later on. So I'm using half. So in case it has excess moisture, we can get that out too. Just another minute and we stop. We turn it off and allow it to cool. Now it's time to crush our chickpeas. We're going to crush it. We don't want it. We could put it in a fruit processor, but I don't want that. I want texture, so I'm not going to crush too small. I don't want it to be smooth. I want clumps of chickpeas. Or you may use your hand and squeeze it, just like this, if you don't have anything to crush it like this. Our veg is now cooled and the chickpeas is crushed. Now we're going to transfer to one bowl. Now this amount will give you a good amount of burgers. So I'm making for lunch and to consume even now. Now the rest of our bell peppers that we saved, I'm going to put it in now because I like that crunch and that bite, you know, and the flavor. Garlic powder, chili pepper, paprika, Italian herb, onion powder, coarse black pepper, complete seasoning, sazon. Now these are the powdered seasoning I've chosen to use, so you can use whatever you like. Just building flavors, yeah? I've not added salt because I already sprinkled salt while cooking the vegetable. Now I'm going to sprinkle. And we're going to get our hands in, you know, because it's a burger and you want everything to be blended equally. So we get our hands in. And I'm going to mix with the chickpeas at the bottom. At this point it will be a bit soft, but I have 2 tablespoons of breadcrumbs, and also I'll be using a little cornstarch along with some of the liquid. Now it's a bit soft. I don't think I need the liquid, so I'm going to add the cornstarch now. Just a tablespoon for now, and if I need more then I'll add it. You may use flour, but the problem with flour, it may be a bit doughy and you don't want that. So I'm using the breadcrumbs and I'm going to mix properly. Now everything is well combined, so I'm going to test it first. When I start frying, if I need more breadcrumbs, I'll add it. I have 2 tablespoons of oil in the pan. I'm going to use this egg shaper to shape the burgers. You don't have to, you can just shape it in your hand. The pot is already hot, and then I remove. Allow the burgers to fry on medium flame, 3 minutes on each side, or until it's brown enough for you. If you have vegan cheese, then you may add it at this point. You don't have to do it like me, but you know I'm not vegetarian, so I use normal cheese, and I place it over my burger and allow it to melt. And this took about a minute, little over a minute. Now it's time to build my burger, and I'm now going to add more vegetables. So you see, it's a nice way to get a lot of vegetables in, and everybody will love it. So here I'm just painting with my brown with a little mayo, and then I'm going to add my burger with the cheese, then a little lettuce, tomato, cucumber, and some red onion. Choose which vegetable you like, and then I added a little honey mustard sauce, and then some hot relish. Now here you have it, guys. Chickpeas and vegetable burgers. It was very tasty. You know, vegetables like those vegetables that absorb flavors easily, like the mushroom and the eggplant, they absorb flavors easily, and it was just a match with the chunkiness of the chickpeas. It was delicious. Well guys, I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you'll try it, and if you do, please send me a picture or just leave a comment to let me know how much you liked it. Thank you for watching my video, and if you have not yet subscribed, please remember to do so. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please remember to give me a thumbs up, as this helps to promote my video to others, and also it helps to grow my channel. Thank you very much again for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.